My name is David Lee of Vital Health. Just wanting to talk about this new online course on the Quantum Resonance Analyzer with you. Kind of really excited to share this with you because we've put a lot of work into it. And I've personally done a lot of work in creating the version 2 book as well as the whole course for you. Now, the benefits of taking this course in the Quantum Resonance Analyzer is that you can see deficiencies in minerals, vitamins, trace elements at a cellular level. You can see what is becoming weak before it is too late to reverse the ailment. You're also able to give a more accurate solution or recommendation to help your client from the results of the scan, as well as the client receives a medical readout of what is going on in their body without the procedure of a blood test. It is non-invasive and can be done with the social distancing of COVID rules, and you can see weaknesses or deficiencies in the body before they are too far gone. Hence, you can treat the client early enough to turn the ailment around. So if you want more information about the course, please contact us at vitalhealthlife.com. I'm David Lee. I'm the author of the book, as well as the founder of the course. Hope you're having a great day. Take care.